How to add and replace videos on designs in Canva. Open Canva and access the editor side panel. If you can't find the Videos tab, click on Apps first. Once you're in the side panel, click on the Videos tab. To explore the available videos, click on See All next to a specific category. Feel free to use the search bar and enter relevant keywords. Canva offers both free and premium videos, which are marked with free and pro tags respectively. To add a video to your design, simply click on it, and it will be automatically added. If you have your own videos that you want to incorporate into your design, follow these steps. Head over to the Editor side panel in Canva. Look for the Uploads tab and click on it. To upload your videos, click on Upload Media and select the desired files from your device. Remember, you can also drag and drop the files directly into the Uploads tab. Once uploaded, you can either browse through your uploaded videos or use the search bar to find a specific file. To add your uploaded video to the design, simply click on it, and it will be inserted seamlessly. Now, if you have already started with a template and need to replace an existing video, here's what you need to do. Open the Canva editor and access the side panel. Look for the Uploads or Videos tab. If you can't find the Videos tab, click on Apps first. Browse through your uploaded videos or the available videos on Canva. To replace a video on the template, click and hold on the video you want to replace and drag it onto the video on the template. The new video will replace the old one, creating a seamless transition.